Hello crochet community, it's CC Newman here today, and we will be doing a tutorial on how to treble crochet. Now the treble crochet is a bit of a longer stitch than the double and much longer than the single crochet. And as you can see from this swatch here, you can see it has little holes that are bigger than what you would see with a double and single crochet. So the treble crochet is really simple. And it's very similar to the double crochet. So to begin, you're going to chain 19 chains, or sorry, you'll make a slip knot and then chain 19 chains plus 4 chains for a total of 23 chains for this demonstration. So if you want to go ahead and pause your video so you can make your slip knot and do your chains, you can do that now. If you don't know how to make a slip knot or how to chain, just check out the links in the information box below this video, and I will put the links to my other videos in there for you. So to begin, we are going to yarn over, but instead of just yarning over once, we are going to yarn over twice. Now I'll just zoom in here so that we can see a little bit better. So we yarn over twice, then we're going to insert our hook into the 5th chain from the hook. And now remember that the loop that's on the crochet hook does not count as a chain. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to insert our hook into that 5th chain, and you will have 4 chains or 4 loops on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over and pull up 1 loop. After you've pulled up that 1 loop, you'll have 4 chains on your hook still. You'll yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, oops, and yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. And so the chain 4 that you did at the end of the chain 19 counts as your first treble crochet. So the treble crochet that we just completed is actually our second one. So let's go ahead and do another one. So we yarn over twice, like I just did, insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And you'll see now we have 3 treble crochets. So we yarn over twice, insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And so we will continue doing that all the way down, and you can pause the video now and I will just skip ahead to the end of the row. So we're at the end of row 1 now, and I'm going to do my final treble crochet. So I've yarned over twice, insert your hook into the last stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And so now we will chain 4 and turn our work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn. And so now this chain 4 that we just did is going to count as our first treble crochet. So we're going to skip the first stitch of the last row and go into the second stitch. So we'll yarn over twice, insert your hook under both the front and back loop, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, and we will continue. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch. Make sure you go through both the front and the back loop, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, draw through 2 loops. And we will just continue doing that all the way across. So we are at the end of row 2. So I've done 18 treble crochets. So we're going to do the 19th and the 20th treble crochet. Now the 19th is quite simple. It's just we're going to go into the last V of the row. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, draw through 2 loops. And now this is where it can be a little bit tricky, is we have to yarn over twice as per usual, and we have to insert our hook into the top of the chain 4 that we did in the previous row. So we've yarned over twice, and we're just going to insert our hook. It might be a little bit tight, so you might have to use your nail to get it in there. So we insert our hook, and then we just finish the stitch as per usual. Yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And I encourage you to keep going with your swatch until you get the hang of it. And we'll just zoom out here. So the rest of the rows are worked exactly as row 2. So after you've done about 10 rows, your swatch should look something like this. And don't worry if it doesn't. It takes practice. So what I would recommend is just keep practicing until it does look something like this. So thank you again for watching my tutorial. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, contests, and more.